Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. Today I'm doing a tag video. So Sandy, over at Let's Get Fit with Sandy, tagged me in a video where we answer questions. And I love tags, she loves tags. We pretty much always tag each other whenever these pop up. I have not watched her video yet because I like to not let other people's answers influence my answers. Before I give mine, I am going to be tagging Dish with D and Joan's Pointed Plate. So I'll put a link to Sandy, D, and Joan in the description box down below, and you can check them out when they do their videos. And if not, just check them out if you don't already watch them, because they're all great channels. Alright, so this one is an either or tag. So pretty quick and easy one. We'll see. I haven't even read all the questions. Alright, so number 1. Netflix or YouTube? It's hard for me to pick. It depends on what I'm going for. If I'm going for pure entertainment, I go for Netflix. If I'm going for inspirational, then I go more for YouTube. So it's hard to say. If I'm saying I have to have one or the other, then I would say I'll pick YouTube just because I can still get some entertainment on there. I just typically don't. But I need the inspiration that I get from all of the channels for the weight loss journey. So yeah. Alright, number 2, iOS or Android? I'm an Android person. I am not a person that's anti-iPhone though. That I've never been that. I tried it for a year. I liked it enough. I didn't love it. I didn't hate it. I went back to my Android phones. I love my Galaxy phones. As far as phones. It doesn't go into computers. But yeah, so Android. Number 3, phone calls or texts? Text me. I hate talking on the phone. I do not have the attention span to sit there and conversate. If it's a video chat, maybe. I'm starting to get a little bit better at those. I still don't like them because, I don't know. I don't know what to do with my hands, with my face, with everything. And I have a small bladder, so I need to go use the restroom. So if I'm busy on the phone, usually I have to be like, hold on a second. I got to go potty. Kind of annoying. So text me. Plus, a lot of times I'll sit there and watch it ring, wait till it's done, wait a couple more minutes, then text back, hey, sorry, I'm busy. What's up? Because I want to talk on the phone. Call me if it's an emergency. Though I have been talking to my parents a little bit more on the phone since I can't actually go see them. All right, number 4, cardio or weights? I can't choose one or the other. I need both. Your body needs both in order to run properly. They both do separate things that are beneficial for your body. I will say I prefer weights over cardio because it's easier and I can progress further in it a little bit quicker. As I'm lifting weights, I can easily add on an extra pound or two sooner than I can move faster or go longer with the cardio. Although today I did just get back from a 3-mile walk when I've been doing 2, so that's been pretty cool. But yeah, I prefer weights, but I need both, so not going to happen that I'll choose one over the other. Number 5, while walking, music or podcast? I don't do either when I go for my walks. I listen to nature, like listen to the birds, and if somebody walks by, I want to be able to hear them and say hi as they're 6 feet away, don't worry. But I like that. But if I am going to do something, typically for a walk, I would do a podcast. When I was walking a lot more in the past, I did more podcasts. Ironically, though, at the gym, I cannot do a podcast because I am focused on what I am doing and counting reps and paying attention to how far I've gone on the different cardio machines. I can't do a podcast. So then I do music. All right, number 6. What's worse, laundry or dishes? I've been asked this before, and I really don't remember what my answer was. But I would probably say dishes because I am so tired of doing dishes. I cook all the time now that I am home and not working, and I get the kitchen spotless, and then it's time for another meal, and I got to do dishes again. I'm just tired of doing dishes. So those are worse. Number 7, sneakers or sandals? I don't wear sandals that often. I do have a pair of flip-flops and I do have a pair of sandals. Those I might slip on if I'm going to run outside to go do laundry. I don't do my laundry in my backyard, but I have to go outside to go down into the basement to do laundry. But I'm not going to go... I don't go very many places wearing just sandals. I don't like feet. I don't like my feet. Yeah. Number 8, jogging or hiking. Hiking. I cannot jog or run yet. Hopefully it stays yet, not a never. But it is very hard for me to get up to a jog, especially not a run, but even a jog. Like, there's something about just the stance that my body goes into when you're doing that instantly makes it where I can't breathe. So I don't like them. And when I do go on walks, I might jog for like 5 seconds in spurts randomly. But hiking, I actually enjoy. I like the idea of that, and especially because, again, it goes back to cardio or weight training. When you're hiking, especially if you're hiking in hills and rougher terrain, you're using more muscle, and I feel more out of it afterwards. Rather than cardio, I just feel out of breath, can't breathe, my heart's pounding, I'm going to die. And then when everything comes down, I'm back to normal. Versus I really feel it when I go on a hike. All right, number 9, receive email or letter. I don't really get a lot of either. I mean, I even have that P.O. box that I've gotten a couple of things from Kim over at A Girl and Her Phone, but not anything else. I don't get a lot of mail and emails. I'm so disorganized for them. I lose track so easily, and I have 3 different email accounts, and they build up so much that I feel like I miss a lot of mail because I end up going on deleting sprees because all of a sudden I have like 1,000 emails. But so if you're going to contact me, I mean, email is the more convenient way. But I do like getting a letter in the mail. My manager, she sent me a birthday card. My birthday's not till May 2nd. Don't worry. Didn't miss it. Sandy thought she missed my birthday. But she sent this in the mail, and this was really, really sweet to get. And, I mean, it's me. It's sparkly and rainbowy. I mean, Sandy calls me Sparkles, and everybody knows I have rainbows all the time. So that was really, really sweet. So I do like getting letters. Yeah. All right, number 10, tablet or computer. I prefer computer. I have a tablet. I have a Kindle. It's not the best. It can't do everything that a Android tablet or an iPad can do. But either way, if I'm going to be using something bigger than my phone, I want full computer capabilities. The mobile versions, the app or the tablet versions of websites, of apps, I do not like as much as I do a computer. It's just so much more easy to manipulate and work with rather than the tablet version. All right, so that's all 10. That's all the questions. That's all I got. So again, thank you, Sandy, for tagging me. Her link will be down below, as well as Jones Pointed Plate and Dish with D. Go check them out, and until my next video, I'll talk to you guys later.